Hey guys, it's me Yash here from Ride Brothers. So many of you have seen anti-thief bag which offers hell out of space to pack your things. Now the one right now I have here is from the Jaden. And yes, it manages to leave better impressions. So here is my first impressions thoughts on Jaden anti-thief bag.
Oh, pink and blue, yeah. Oh, pink and blue, yeah. You've been
Now this is my first impressions. I haven't used this bag even for a one day. I just got my hands on it Saturday and on Sunday I was busy in shoot. So of course I'm gonna use it for a while, and if you really want a review, do let me know below this video. Okay, starting things off from the outside. The bag itself gives a pretty premium look in my opinion, a Jaden branding on the top. It's an anti-thief bag and that means you get a chain on the back side. So when you have a bag on your shoulders, no one can open them easily. Now let me clear one thing here. This is not any kind of review unit provided by the company. I bought it from Amazon in a deal and it did cost me rupees 1049. So yeah, a pretty amazing deal for any premium backpack. The bag seems made out of quite a good material. If I am not wrong, it should be the artificial fur fabric, which is good wear resistant. So no matter if your bag will be in rough usage, it will suffer very well. You get USB output on the one side that can help you to charge your phone through a power bank inside. The wire has been provided by the company inside bag, so no problem there as well. Also one more thing, the bag is completely water resistant, that means it is completely splash proof. Whatever tag is inside your bag, it will be safe, although until a certain level, and that's what means a water resistant I guess. Now here's a fun fact. They have mentioned two different things on Amazon. In main title there is a waterproof word, while if you go in product description there is a water resistant word. Now don't overlook waterproof word here which is in the main title. They should have changed that obviously, because no bag is waterproof in the market until it is made out of plastic material. So yes, the level of water resistance differs from a bag to bag because it obviously depends on the material they have used. And it seems this bag should provide a better protection against the water until a certain level. You can open the bag on 180 degree, so everything you are gonna carry can be placed nicely in this bag. Inside there are 4 Jaden tags on material, so there is a lot of space here. On the top part, a big chain pocket on the upper side, and 2 slots are given for DSLR camera if you want to carry in your bag. Quite a great I guess. And on the bottom portion, there are pockets to place a laptop, tablets or your books. Mine one is having a size of 20 liters and it's a lot more space for any backpack. Now for the first, there are positive impressions from my side, but that's not enough for me. I am gonna use it for a quiet period of time and then I can say is it worth money or not. So that was my first impressions on this bag. Put your thoughts in comment section below and I would love to answer them.